Now this is an outstanding Land Rover Defender D250 X-Dynamic SE. But what a car it is. Only covered 6,920 miles on a 2024 24 registration. But if you're watching this video and you like what you see, you must call me on the number below and just get it reserved, because this car will not last the day because of the way it looks and the huge specification that this car has. Under manufacturer's warranty till 2027 with Land Rover. The D250 is a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. It's Santorini Black underneath, but you can see quite clearly it's got a matte finish to it. The car's got a full satin PPF and it looks absolutely gobsmacking. Beautiful in every single way. But then it has got some other added extras. So your standard spec is things like your upgraded LED daytime running lights and the LED headlights. But then quite obviously you can see the light bar built into the front grille here. And you might have noticed when I started the car at the beginning of the video, it gives that little show of lights going on, and that just looks really good. You've then got a black styling pack with a badge in. The gloss black section to the front bumper here. 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors. This car is nothing short of amazing and I love it. Now, the way we price our cars here at Acklam Car Centre, with live pricing, we could have quite easily asked for £5,000 more for this car and still sell it instantly. But we don't do that here because we want the cars to be priced fairly, so someone gets a good buy from me, but you just know that it's just a good purchase. Someone's going to get a tremendous car here. Now the other thing with this, you have got the extended arch kit, and that's in the gloss black, and I do like that against the satin because it pops. Same with the checkered plate on the front, and the side air vents are finished in gloss black. But then you have the 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, genuine wheels with the Continental tyres, and they're the same wheels that you get on the V8 Carpathian edition. Which takes me on to, if you looked at this car from any angle, it looks like the V8 version, which costs twice as much, and the running cost is a little bit expensive. But here you're getting diesel running cost, brilliant styling, and I just love everything about it. Going back to the side of the car, you've got the Mudflaps front and rear, the matte black fixed side steps, again the Defender side steps, gloss black to the door handles with a PPF finish as well, because remember the PPF finish is to protect the paintwork, so it looks nice and new for as long as possible. After a couple of years, get it all took off and you have a pretty much brand new exterior of the Defender. You've got tilt and sliding sunroof on this car as well. I must unlock it, give me 2 seconds. But the car really is everything that it should be. It's a Defender 110, which means 5 doors, 5-seater. This one has got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. You've got leather, electric memory heated seats, touchscreen media system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, full digital driver zone. This car then has the adaptive cruise control, Meridian Sound system, fully fitted mats, grab handles. Underneath the centre armrest, you've got more cubbyhole space as well. And just to show you quickly, the tilt and sliding sunroof is absolutely amazing, lets in loads of light, and it's just a great place to be in. This car has everything that you would need in any Defender. But on top of that, you have styling, and it's done 6,000 miles. Well, 6,920 to be precise. In the back, you've got lots of space for all your friends and family. There's USBs and Cs all over the place. Grab handles to get in, big door pockets. And then get to the back of the car, you see the lovely sporty rear spoiler. You've got the LED lights on the back, the hard back spare wheel cover. Everything is PPF on the boot lid. And then you've got this massive boot space. The seats go down 40, 40, 20. Underneath there you have more cubbyhole space with a lock and wheel nut sits. This comes off all together so you can create more space. You've got the quarter windows in the back, and you have got the Towbar, which is there to use, which is great because they're not cheap to get and it's just ready-made. For me, it's the way it looks, the way it drives, the fact that it's under manufacturer's warranty, the fact that it's done very little miles, so it's been looked after. Then wheels really work on this car. The whole styling, driver's seat in near perfect condition, absolutely awesome. The steering wheel, again, nice and soft and leather wrapped. The 360 camera system down below here. And then you have the twin cup holders, USB-B 12-volt socket, lots more cubbyhole space. You're sat nice and high up. This has to be right up there when you're looking for a Defender. Remember, this car also has the pod lights on the front as well. So from every single angle, this car looks just absolutely fantastic. You must agree. If you like what you see, my name and number's on the screen. Call me, leave a deposit, just get it reserved and come and collect it. We do take part exchanges and finance is available. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.